For the pie base, I'm using cream colored clay. I cut out one cream and one orange circle using a round cutter. Then place the orange one on top of the cream one. For the pie crust, I also use cream clay. I make a few little slices and twist the edges to decorate the top. I just got this new sculpting tool. It's super helpful for working on tiny details. With a needle, I add fine lines to make it look like whipped cream. And by scratching the surface a little, I give the pie a more realistic texture. I repeat the same steps for the second pie. Then use the needle again to add details around the edges. And cover the top off with thin clay strips. I fix everything neatly with a dotting tool. To make it look baked, I use soft pastel in orange, yellow, and brown shade. For the whipped cream decoration, I used the silicone mold I made myself. And if you want a tutorial on how to make silicone mold, let me know in the comment. that's it, our adorable pumpkin pie charms are ready. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you won't miss new video. See you soon. Bye for now.